If Lightroom feels slow, laggy, or just takes forever to load photos, this video will show you a few simple fixes to make Lightroom run faster on your desktop. These are quick changes you can do in just a couple of minutes, and they can make a big difference in performance, especially if you work with large photo catalogs or high-resolution images. If this helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. First, let's start with one of the biggest improvements you can make, turning on GPU support. Open Lightroom, then go into Settings and click on Performance. Here, look for the option that says Use GPU and turn it on. This allows Lightroom to use your graphics card to help with processing, which can significantly improve speed, especially when you're editing, scrolling, zooming, or applying effects. If Lightroom was feeling sluggish before, this is one of the first things you should try. Next, go to Settings again, and this time open Local Storage. Lightroom stores temporary data there, and over time, that cache can build up and slow things down. If you want a quick cleanup, click Clear Cache. This can help free up space and remove old temporary files that Lightroom no longer needs. If you haven't done this in a while, it's a very simple way to give the program a fresh start. Another easy way to speed things up is to close background apps. If you have Chrome open with a lot of tabs, games running, video editors, or any heavy programs in the background, they can take away memory and processing power from Lightroom. Close anything you don't need while editing. This frees up RAM and gives Lightroom more resources to work with, which can help reduce lag and make everything feel more responsive. Now let's talk about previews and viewing habits. If you constantly zoom in and out at full resolution, Lightroom has to work harder to render those details. Instead, try using smaller previews when possible, and work in Fit View instead of staying at 100% all the time. Fit View is much lighter on your system, and is often enough for general editing and culling. The less your computer has to constantly redraw high-detail previews, the smoother Lightroom will feel. Another important factor is where your photos are stored. If your catalog or images are sitting on a slow hard drive, Lightroom may take longer to open folders, load previews, and switch between images. For much faster loading, keep your active photo files on an SSD instead of an HDD. SSD storage is much quicker, and that speed difference can be very noticeable in Lightroom, especially with large projects. If you use Lightroom Cloud Syncing and things are slowing down, you can also pause syncing temporarily. Click the cloud icon and choose Pause Syncing. This can reduce background activity and help Lightroom focus on the work you're doing right now. If your internet is busy or the app is trying to upload a lot of files, pausing sync can make the desktop app feel much faster and less stuck. So to recap, the fastest ways to improve Lightroom performance are turning on GPU, clearing the cache, closing background apps, using smaller previews, keeping files on an SSD, and pausing sync when needed. These are simple steps, but together they can make Lightroom run a lot smoother. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. And if Lightroom is still slow after these steps, let me know in the comments, and I can make a follow-up video with more advanced fixes.